Okay, you guys, we are here. Lectric eBikes.
Black with the higher bar is what we call our XP. The one in white with the lowered bar is what we call our step through. Both models are pretty much exactly the same when it comes to performance and power. Only real difference between them is kind of the entry point. Step through, as the name implies, you kind of step through the frame. Much lower, much easier to get on and off of. Just easy lift of the leg. The XP on the other hand, a little different. Bit of a higher bar. So kind of the way to get on this, either lean it real far to one side, kind of swing the leg over the back and rear to get on and off of. If you have the mobility to get on and off of both, truly preference.
What about the warranty?
You get a 12-month warranty, and it covers everything besides your wear and tear items. It does not cover water damage or user error. So if you crash the bike or submerge it, you'd be responsible for repairs.
Okay.
So water damage, what is that like for rain and stuff like that if it's caught in the rain or sitting outside?
Yeah, light rain you're pretty fine in. Part of the upgrade between the two generations was kind of making the bike a little more water resistant. We did that with the display and button pad. They're IP65. Light rain you're fine in. Anything that's real heavy, we recommend you seek shelter. One, because this is a giant hunk of metal. And two, because you do not want to get water in this connection port.
Okay. How does it fold in half?
I can show you. Welcome in, guys. Someone should be right with you guys. So it folds in half. You have two different points. Your first one's up top of the handlebars. You want to lift up on this silver pin, push out and away on the latch. When your wheel is straight, the handlebars are going to fall to the right side of the bike. Your next one is on the body itself. So silver latch down here. Same sort of pin system. You want to push forward on this pin, then pull back and away from the bike. Just pick up the front tire, swing it right to the rear. So bike sits down just like this, basically chops in half the verticality and the length of the bike. Up top, we kind of have our cockpit. You have two brakes, pretty standard. Right is rear, left is front. Morning, sir, someone should be right with you. You have a twist throttle on the right side of your hand grip. Pull it towards yourself to accelerate. You have a gear shifter up top, 7 speeds on your bike, just like a regular 7-speed. 7th gear will be the hardest one to pedal. It's going to put the most tension on your chain. First gear is going to be the exact opposite. It's going to be the easiest to pedal. Plus, takes you up a gear, minus up top on the club, takes you down. You're pushing everything out, so you're pushing this, pushing the lever, nothing's getting pulled on this thing. Sure. Display in the center gives you all your info as far as speedometer, battery charge, and all that while you're riding. And this button pad controls the display. We have 3 buttons to turn it on, a minus, a plus, and a power. Power button is going to be our on-off button. So hold it for about 2 seconds, and the screen lights up. So we have an energy bar up top, tells you the current charge of your battery. Speedometer lets you know how fast you're going. And PAS stands for level of pedal assist, and this is where you get the motor function from the bike.
All right, let's ride.
Okay. I do have a safety waiver I need you guys to fill out.
Okay.
Let me get going on that. So, I need one of these from each of you guys.
Okay, I'm not riding just him.
Okay.
I actually have already ridden one before. We were in here before Christmas and
You say you looked very familiar.
yeah.
I don't know if you were with me or someone else, but the face.
So we were just we weren't sure at the time. We wanted to come back in and kind of go through it again and hear things again.
Yeah.
Use your throttle.
I'll finish? Yep.
And you
Thank you, sir.
have it like where you want.
And then I've got your bike for you outside. Last little requirement, I require a lid for your head. So I got a nice color selection.
Cruise, and it's just gonna keep
These are all pretty much adjustable.
And then as soon as I put.
And then our next step is to turn our bikes on. So my setup is a tad bit different, but your power button should be kind of on the inside. Hold it for about 2 seconds. Screen's all lit up. Yep. Perfect. So right now we are on level 0. We're working with a regular old bicycle. We are going to keep it like that for the time being, but we're just going to pedal up this dirt path and then out to the neighborhood behind us. Once we're out there, that's when we're going to turn them on and just tap that plus button, engage our motor. But I'm just going to lead us out of here. We're going to go nice and slow. We're going to take like a nice mile loop through the neighborhood.
Cool. Yeah.
Pretty fun, isn't it?
This will be on YouTube too. Our channel is Our Simple Adventures.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Water damage. The
Our-
only
our
place
simple
I could
adventure.
really
Our
have
Simple Adventures.
almost becoming extinct for a bike, which is great. Is this display right here.
Probably not the whole thing, but parts of what we just did.
No, I'm perfectly fine with that. I told you guys at the beginning. I'm okay with being on camera, so.
Okay, guys, we're here to pick it up at we're at our mail forwarder here to pick up our electric bikes. This is mailboxes and more. Phoenix, if you need a mail forwarder. There it is.
That's for Joy, so that's for Joy, that's for Joy.
Got that one?
Come tend the garden with me. We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. Well, we spent the bulk of our days feeling free, like we were properly stoned. Till you liked everything but the likes of me. I can't help but recall. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was.
Wow, that was really stiff. Alright, where the scissors are, I can grab something.
Okay. Pretty good looking. White wall tires. Wow, white letter tires. See, we already put mine together here. Got that charging. Well, I don't have white letter. Pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna finish getting this set up and charged up, and then we'll take you guys for a ride after a bit. Okay, we got her all together. We've got air in the tires, so we need to put some more in. But see, it's too high.
Yep. Whoops. If I hold it, can you try that?
All right. I'll show them your show them later. Excuse me.
All right, I want to drop.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
Why are you nervous?
Because I haven't ridden a bike in so long.
Do not crash.
It's okay, I won't be going to pedal assist yet. I'm just gonna go just ride it.
You got your gears here too.
Yeah.
It's in first gear.
Well, first gear is the easiest, right?
Yeah.
You know what's weird? Okay, I know what's really weird. It doesn't stop. You know, on a bike it's real stiff, so you can put your foot on there and it'll... You know what I mean?
What's going on here?
How come the pedals, is that the way yours was too?
Oh shit, your chain's off. It's supposed to be up here.
Oh, no wonder. I'm like, because that doesn't feel right.
Yeah. Well, crap.
All right, back we go.
Back to the shop. Okay, back out of the shop. By the way, here's the shop.
Just was moving the thing here.
All right, there we go.
All right, and I hear it clicking.
You must be kind of between gears. Make sure you're in a gear. She said she hears a clicking. You know, like on those kind of bikes, it might be just a little bit between two gears.
Very cool.
Have you used pedal assist?
Yeah, one.
Okay, we're gonna take you guys for a ride after a bit here. Okay, you guys, here we go.
Huh?
Here we go. Why don't you shift your gear? It sounds funny.
Mine too.
All right, you guys can tell I'm on pedal assist 0, so I'm not getting any help from the electric motor. Going 4 miles an hour. Battery's fully charged. I have 0 miles on this, so here we go. I have to hit this plus sign right over here, and it'll give me power assist 1. It goes all the way up to a power assist 5. So now if I just pedal a little bit, it'll take me up to about 6-7 miles an hour. And I'm in 3rd gear over here on this side. So when you hit either brake, it automatically kicks off the electric motor. See, even if I'm pedaling. But then if I just pedal just a little bit, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it just kind of, you know, kicks me back a little bit. We'll get out here on a better road, and we'll get it up to speed. Let's get on a straightaway here. Okay, now watch. Car behind us here. I'm gonna pedal the same speed. As long as I'm pedaling, I'm gonna go up each gear or each pedal assist to 5. So, okay, pedal assist 2, it takes me up to 10 miles an hour. I have not pedaled any faster. Pedal assist 3. Whoa. Up to 16 miles. Whoa. Pedal assist 4. Dang. Pedal assist 5. Yeah, 20 mile an hour. I have to get in there and change the settings to go any faster. Okay, I'm gonna kick it back down here. That's kind of... Stop pedaling. I'm gonna wait for Lisa. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys just how the throttle works. Don't have to pedal at all. Ready?
Are you gonna go right or are you turning around?
I'm just going to go back on this road. Okay, so you do have to have at least a 1 on the pedal assist for the throttle here to work. Now I'm not going to pedal at all. I'm going to turn around here. Okay, just the throttle. So even though we're still in pedal assist 1, it'll take me up to 20 mile an hour. Woohoo! She thinks she's fast. Watch this. You know, this it's going to take some getting used to, but you know, this kind of a, I don't want to say short wheelbase, but with the smaller tires and it just doesn't seem as oh, what word am I looking for? As stable a ride, like you know how on some bikes you can go no-handed. Well, yeah, it's too jerky to go no-handed, so you really want to keep at least one hand on the handlebars. We're gonna head back to the Prowler. Need to raise the seat a little bit. What do you think?
A lot of fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
All the neat trails we're gonna see.
Oh my God, we'll be able to go so many places. Oh, okay.
So you think it was a good purchase?
Definitely. I think we'll definitely get our money's worth out of this once we start really getting on the road.
And we'll be saving money.
On gas.
Instead of $145 for a tank of gas yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, we love you guys. God bless. Share this with a like-minded person, and we'll see you in a few days. Bye.
Bye.